Hi guys, Hiwonder here. JetHexa can be controlled through the PC software, and in this video, I will show you how to operate. Before operation, you need to install the PC software, and the installation package can be found under the same directory. After installation, connect to the Wi-Fi generated by JetHexa. To open the PC software, we need to enable the service first. You need to connect to JetHexa system desktop through no machine. Then, open the terminal and input the command to enable the service. After the related service is enabled, return back to the computer desktop. Now, you can open the PC software and start controlling. Having entered the interface, connect to the robot first, and the default IP is 192.168.149.1. If the IP is correct, click Connect. Here shows that we have successfully connected to the robot. Okay, let's start with motion control area. In this drop-down menu, you can select the gate type, including triple and ripple gate. Try ripple gate first. Then you can press this button to control JetHexa's movement. Beside this button, the slider above can also be used for adjusting JetHexa's movement. Step height refers to the maximum lifting height of leg during walking. Stride is used to adjust JetHexa's step length. Period indicates the interval between each step. The greater the time, the more slowly it moves. Move to the second part, posture control. Pitch is used to adjust the angle for JetHexa to lean forward and backward. Roll refers to the angle of left and right tilt. And roll is used to control JetHexa to twist left and right. Lastly, the third part, center of gravity control. Body height is for adjusting JetHexa's overall height. Vertical shift and horizontal shift are for adjusting the location of JetHexa's center of gravity. Pay attention, you need to adjust the step height and stride according to the actual situation. Okay, bring your JetHexa and try to use PC software to control it.